This is the Greenworks 24-volt stapler. Powered by a single 24-volt battery and part of the Greenworks Power All range, this portable, powerful, speedy stapler is the perfect tool for DIYers looking for a fast fix. And it features quick load stapler and nail chamber for use with 6 to 14mm crown staples and up to 1 cm staple crown nails. Belt loop for user comfort and convenience. Adjustable staple depth dial. Single trigger pressure activation for safety and speed when in use. Power up your performance with the Greenworks 24-volt stapler.